Hello traders, my name is Matthew McCoro. I'm the Director of Global Education with Market Traders Institute. I want to include a preview video of more of our advanced strategies that we teach at MTI. Our advanced strategies give you more insight and data to make better decisions while trading. By following the advanced strategies, you may identify trades with probabilities of success up to 95%. That's one of the core methodologies that separates MTI from any other company in the industry. Now, if you're looking for an edge while trading, maybe you have the basic concepts of how money's made here, and you're really looking for that edge to really increase your probabilities, increase the way that you can manage your risk and reap the full profitability that the Forex market can provide to you. At MTI, we have the plans for you. Our plans can be used on any time frame, currency pair, and direction. And what we're going to provide to you is clear goals and objectives. We're going to make sure that you have proper trading structure, all the tools that you need to succeed. We're going to make sure you can zero in on the proper style of trading that best fits your personal needs, your personal risk management, and your personal goals. We're going to make sure that you have the most state-of-the-art instruments and indicators to assist, and more importantly, we're going to show you time-tested ways to manage your money effectively. Now, when it comes to more advanced strategies, all that really means is that we're basing our decision on more advanced techniques. We have more on a chart. So what you're seeing on the screen is one of our strategies called the Uptrend ABCD Checklist. See, we believe in the adage of plan your trade and then trade your plan. So all of our strategies come in this format, a pre-trade checklist. The same way that a pilot, before he takes off the runway, goes through a pre-flight checklist to ensure the passengers have a safe flight. And that's what we're going to do here, but instead of flying, we're going to be trading money in the market, and we want to make sure that your money's protected. So each one of our strategies, be it simple or advanced like the one on the screen, give you step-by-step instructions as a roadmap for your success. So as you go through these 10 steps, we're looking to run the ABCD boundary. We're looking to buy to C and sell to D. If you don't know what that means we're trading Fibonacci's, one of the most advanced ways of trading this market, backed by the institutional traders. Now, I'm going to give you a preview of what this strategy looks like on a chart, so you have a sample of what advanced even looks like. And what we're going to find is that when we're done planning our trade, we're going to be able to come in and actually grade our trade. We're going to know before we pull the trigger what the risk is, what the profit potential is, and we're going to know what our chances are of even winning that trade by gauging the probabilities. We're going to find out what the odds are of us winning or losing before we risk our money. So by trading the ATM strategy, this is what it looks like on a chart. By dealing in Fibonacci's more advanced techniques, you're going to be required to be responsible to learn more technical analysis. So on this screen, what I've done is on my own chart is I've gone through all these steps 1 through 10. I've identified, as it showed me, how to find and mark the AB boundary. It showed me how to spread the Fibonacci tool, which way to look at the Fibonacci retracement extension levels. I drew my counter trend line, on and on and on. And what this trade presented itself with is a trade with a risk of 35 pips by following that checklist, $350. The profit is set at 150 pips. So I'm risking 1 to get 4 times my money on this trade. How many of you would risk 35 pips to capture 150 pips? I'm sure many of you would. But before we at MTI execute this trade, we need to go in and grade our probabilities. Don't let this confuse you. If this confuses you by the chart, it's obvious that you need help. But the value here is tremendous. The more analysis on the chart, the more insight you may have. So what I'm going to do now is let's grade the decision. Number 1, are the candles above the automated uptrend line? This red trend line is the up. The answer is yes. Is there a U-turn near the bottom red line of the fuel gauge? Here's the fuel gauge. Just by those 2 criteria, we're at 70% probabilities. Did the market break the counter upward trend line? This orange line is the counter. It broke it right at this point. Answer is yes. Did the market turn at past resistance? Did it U-turn at levels of resistance? It did back here. It's another 5%. Did the market U-turn at a Fibonacci retracement number? This red line here is a 382 level. Which rules of Fibonacci state if the market turns at a 382, it will extend to the 1618, which I have clearly listed as our profit point here. This is how I knew exactly where to take profit. This is how I knew exactly where to put my stop loss and my entry order. Now the final question, is there a bullish candlestick formation? This green candle is a bullish engulfing candle. Answer is yes. By applying that analysis to the charts, we can now add up our probabilities, and this trade presents itself as being a 95% probable trade, risking 35 pips to target 150 pips in profits. So you now have a decision to make, trader. Are you comfortable risking 35 pips? Are you comfortable in profiting $1,500 in this trade, now knowing that you have a 95% probable chance of winning? If you're comfortable in that decision, then take the trade and execute. Every candle is 30 minutes. This is the euro against the dollar. Watch this market fly. This is what advanced strategies do, is provide you more information, more data to make better decisions when trading. It went right up to the exact pip. That's accuracy. So $1,500 trade with a worst case loss of only $350. This is letting your money work exponentially harder for you, and these are the types of techniques and strategies that MTI specializes in. So with that in mind, now that you know, this is how we build our traders. We teach our clients the 4 concepts of trading. We're going to teach you the technical side, the fundamental side, indicator trading, as well as systems to help confirm your trades. This is the core concepts that's given us an ability to be in this market for 17 years and work with over 20,000 clients to date. Get started now in learning all the theory and application needed so you always have a plan. Contact your Next Step Financial Holdings educational specialist and get started with the Ultimate Traders Package now so you can start to reap those rewards. Contact us at 1-866-787-8558 or email us at sales@nextstepfinancialholdings.com. Thank you, happy trading, good luck, and don't forget, let's go capture those pips.